Good morning, friends. Good more earning, friends. Welcome to Forces webinar. First our 100% decentralized matrix project. Okay, it's working on cryptocurrency. So, Forces is cryptocurrency based project, friends. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is virtual currency where you cannot touch the currency, you can only visualize the currency. Okay, it is working on totally, it is decentralized, friends. So no authority will be here, no controlling will be here on this currency, friends. So money is regulated from the software and users agreement. So here the agreement between the software and users is the main regulation of the money, friends. So it's a trust-based peer-to-peer consciousness, and transactions are completely transparent here. We can transfer amount, any part of the world here. So we are going to see next evolution of money. What is money? How it is evolved? So previously, first of all, for business, we are using barter system. Barter system means we are exchanging the things. So you have grown some wheat, we are grown some rice. So exchanging of rice and wheat. So exchanging of things here happening, and such type of a system business is called as a barter system for business. Next step is they have introduced gold coins, friends. Next, metal coins. As you know, now paper money we are using, and nowadays we are using plastic cards also to swipe and to get money from the ATM and to pay bills in the shops. Nowadays, electronic money also is used as for transferring of money. So by electronic money means friends, Google Pay, Phone Pay, all these we are using for the transferring of money. But all these are having some restriction funds. So some restrictions they are having. So Phone Pay means, so for ATM card it is limited for 25,000, 1 lakh per day, like this. So such restrictions are all overcome in cryptocurrency. You can transfer any amount of money to anybody to any part of the world from this cryptocurrency. So this is called as a future currency, friends. And so we are now talking about Parses. Parses creator is Mr. Lado, sir. So this is International Committee for Global Decentralized Ecosystem, friends. So this is zero human factor. No human authority or controlling will be there here. And here policy will not be changed. Before only Parses introduction, they are making all the policies and they are keeping all the policies in the form of code. And once it is released, policies will not be changeable. And it is completely 100% transparent, friends. Because if you are having user ID itself, you can open in any computer, any part of the world, and you can see your transactions very well. And not only now, after 10 years also, your transactions will be seen on this uh, project. Now here, instant money, you are not supposed to put your request, or you are not supposed to demand your money. So instant transfer of money will be happen within seconds for your wallets. And this is completely run on the blockchain system, blockchain technology system. And blockchain technology means, so it will be noted in every node of the uh, any part of the world, any part of the computer you can see, and it is completely 100% online business, friends. Now, how can we work on this process company? If you are having Android phone, if you are having iPhone, if you are having laptop, see here. If you are having Android phone, you can download the Trust Wallet in your phone. If you are having iPhone, You can download token packet. If you are having laptop, you can download MetaMask wallet, friends. So it is working on BUSD. BUSD is nothing but a completely, it's a cryptocurrency. Then what is the advantage of this BUSD? So BUSD means it is a stable coin. See, its value variation will not be too much if you are going to see. So one BUSD equal to $1, which is equal to 80 rupees in our Indian currency. And it is completely approved by New York Departmental of Financial Authorities. So you can in this company, you can start your work with 10 BUSD, friends. So 10 BUSD is split into two parts. In X3, 5 BUSD and in X4, 5 BUSD, friends. So how, one important notice here. So for registration and slot activation, you need 10 BUSD. So for gas fees, so you need a worth of $1 or $2 BNB, friends. So you can download BUSD from Ojirex and you can transfer it to Binance. You can download here BNB also, and you can transfer that amount to the any of your wallet, that is token packet, trust wallet, or MetaMask wallet. Okay, friends. Next, we are going to see the X3 and X4 boxes. Here in both boxes, 12 slots are there. See here, 5, 10, 20, 40, like this. It will be increased up to $9,900, friends. See here. Next, how X3 box will work here. Let us see. This is completely 100% working plan, friends. See, your upline will be there. Your upline will join you and refer you, and you are going to refer one person, and that 100% amount will be come to your wallet. You are going to refer second person, that 100% amount will be come to your wallet only. You are referring third person, and this person amount will go for your upline 100%. In this way, here one cycle is completed. You just observe, friends, all green color amount will be transferred for your personal wallets, and red colored will be go for your upline, and it will be reinvested for next lot. And in this way, unlimited recycle again and again will happen. Now let us see how X4 work will happen. This in this X4, this is completely 100% working plans, friends. uh, Team working plan, friends. 100% team working plan. So your upline will be there. So your upline will refer you. You are going to refer one person. So that person, that amount will go for your upline. Second person you are going to refer, that amount will go for your upline. Third person you are going to refer, that amount will come to you. Fourth person you are going to refer, that amount will be come to you. And fifth person you are going to refer, fifth person amount will come to your wallet. And sixth person will go to your upline wallet. And in this way, here one cycle is completing, and unlimited cycles again and again will completed here. Here also you can observe the colors. Green color, whatever payouts will come, they will come to your personal wallet, and red color will go to your upline, and reinvestment will take place in each slot. And in this way, unlimited cycles will happen. Now, let us see here. You should not think that again we are supposed to work differently in X3 box, and we are supposed to work differently in X4 box. Both X3 and X4 box system, how they will work, let us see. Here you are going to start your business with the 10 BUSD, and where it is split into two parts. In X3, 5 BUSD, and in X4 slot 5 BUSD will be invested. Next, you are going to refer first person. First person will come. See, in X3 also, in X4 also, second person also like that, third person also like that. But here in X3, one cycle will get complete and you need to upgrade. Next, fourth person also you are going to introduce, and fifth person also refer, and sixth person also you are going to refer. Now you see friends, all green color wallets amount will come to your wallet, and the red color will amount will go for your offline wallet. In this way, so in X3 box, two cycles are completing, and in X4 box, one cycle is completed. In this way, the working will go on. So here, this is the type of work where we're going to see in the process, friends. Next, so upgrade I told. What is upgrade? So like this exclamation will mark will appear on next box in the slot. Friends, see what this mark tells us means you need to buy that box with whatever earned money. You need to buy second next box, and with that box you can start the business. And if what you may have doubt that if you are not going to buy anything like this, so if you are not going to buy, whomever you are going to introduce, that person amount will skip you, and you will it will pass to your upline friends. So you need to purchase this box compulsorily. And in this process, we are going to recommend X3 and X4 slots. See, minimum slots, how to buy, how to do the good business. We are recommending to buy 5 slots in X3. See, that is 5 BST, 10 BST, 20 BST, 40 BST, and 80 BST. Total will become 155 BST. So in X4 also like this, 5 slots you can buy. So this will become 155 USD. Adding these two, 310 BUSD plus $70 worth of BNB you need to purchase. Total will become $380. So in our INR, 380 into 80, 30,400 rupees will happen. So 30,400 is not compulsory amount to start this business, but we are recommending this business to do best business. That's all, to get best income. So if you want to start with one slot, you should have 10 BUSD plus $5 worth of BNB. So that is total you have to invest $15 in Indian INR. It is 1,200 friends. For second 2 slots you need to buy means you need to have $45, 3,600 rupees will be in your investment. And if you want to buy third slot, total 70 BUSD plus 30 worth of gas fee, 100 $100 total rupees 7,800 rupees worth of investment. If you want to buy 4 slots, 150 BUSD plus $50, total $200. So your investment will become on 16,000 rupees. So you can start with all these slots initially, and you can join fast. See BUSD withdrawal, how it will happen. So this will be the your next question. So for that question also we are having Wajirex and JetPay. So these are trading apps, friends. You can transfer your BUSD to these apps, and you can withdraw within 10 minutes. Okay. Yeah, and that will be converted into INR in your banks, and totally it will be added to your personal bank accounts, friends. So this is the presentation of Forces BUSD working plan, and I hope you will join fastly. Time is money, friends. You need to join fast, and you are going to, if you are joining early, you can early start your income. You can earn more and more as you join early. Okay, thank you, friends. Thank you.